Hi guys, welcome to my channel Faith and Flower. This is Robin. This is the second day, Tuesday, of my weekly cleaning routine series. My goal for Tuesdays is to get the laundry finished for the week with the sheets and towels, and also to do any ironing. I will finish up the clothes that I did yesterday by putting away everything that was on the drying rack, folding them, and then I will grab all of the clothes that have dried overnight, and here in Texas usually the humidity is low enough that they're ready by the next day. While I'm putting away yesterday's laundry, I'll throw in a load of sheets. I can usually do all of our family's sheets and towels in about 3 loads. I separate out the clothes that need ironing, and that's what I'm going to tackle next. When the sheets for our bed are ready, I will iron them, and I know you think I'm probably totally insane for doing this, but when we got our new king-size bed, I managed to pick out the most wrinkled sheets that you can possibly get from Target. They're very soft and very comfortable sheets, so I like them, but they are just a horrible mess, and so I just kind of cheat and quickly do the pillowcases and then just the edge of the flat sheet, just so it looks presentable and not like I just totally wadded everything up into a tight ball and then spread it on my bed. And because I'm just like you and I live in the real world, sometimes life is just too busy for this and I have to let it go and it just doesn't happen. One of the reasons why I set my ironing board up in our bedroom is so that I'm right there to put the sheets on the bed after I've ironed them, and because I can watch TV or catch up on YouTube videos while I'm ironing. When the bed's all made, then I'll finish up the ironing that I need to do for the week. When the last load is done, my son will make up his bed with his clean sheets, and I will fold the rest of the towels, and then laundry is finished for the week. That's it for Tuesday, and I hope you'll come back tomorrow to see my weekly cleaning routine for Wednesday. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.